Greetings, my beautiful people. It's yours truly, DJ's Wicked Vlogs out here once more. And I'm about to share a little secret here, people. I'm about to look about some asparagus juice. Yeah, so stick and stay, people. Watch what I go on. Yeah, me about to get the asparagus wash. And from there on, yeah, I'm gonna cut them up, put them in the blender. So stick and stay, watch what I go on. Yeah, man. If you never yet like, comment, or subscribe, yes, people, you all need to do the right thing. Yeah, man. You're tuning in with DJ's Wicked Vlogs. Yeah, farm work style. So watch what I go on. I got nice. You know what I mean? Yes, peeps. Asparagus here. Get them diced up.
Gentlemen,
Real nice.
I'm going to say this one more time. Please!
Me a vlog.
Tropical rhythm, them they can't cook.
You go on YouTube, you know, your voice. You go on YouTube.
Please!
Alright, you go on YouTube, you know, you're not turn back. Yes, people, me they are try to cut up the asparagus there. As you can see, cut them up real fine. Yeah, the people, them, man, they are trying to be right, you know. I know a little talking in the background, but I better watch that. Watch your DJ's Wicked Vlogs they are going with, you know. There's truly DJ's Wicked Vlogs. This is a juice, yeah, better than any chew juice in a box. Hear that? Straighten up the back, you know, after all of them hard work, yeah, we are going with people. After you give them interested juice, you know. Yes, no man. And juice I make you do the foot loose, people. Check in. Asparagus juice. Asparagus juice, my people. Them. There are my people. Them. Easy, Mr. Foxy. You're there on the vlog. Alright, I'm in a beep out nothing, you know, sir. So you go on YouTube. Yes, peeps, so let's see what I go on. Yeah. They are going to do the right thing, you know. Get some asparagus juice make, you know. You can see, wash them with some running water. So, you will properly wash off, you know. Yes, peeps. See what I go on? Alright, now I get piece of ginger, people.
Never share for me on there. Turn on.
So you can show yourself on camera. Alright, people, man. Get piece of ginger. See what I go on. Look on the size ginger them over here, people. Fat like, you don't know what to say. Fat and workless, then say. So we there, you know? Watch what I go on. We'll cut up piece of him. You see that, people? Yeah, man. See what I go on. Nice little ginger in him. And my asparagus, people. Yeah. Asparagus. Yeah, man. So watch what I go on now. Watch how me I go deal with him now. Yes, peeps, I'm about to pour in some water inside the blender. Peeps, I'm about to add in some of the asparagus with the ginger. Yeah, I get upload on the channel, you know, with them bad word there, you know. Yes, peeps, you see what I go on. Yes, peeps. See if I can get in crushed now, you know. You can get in crushed. Yeah, so we use pan a little place of people. Because as I realize we have to work with part the wire there. Yeah, man, so. Let's go and watch what I go on with people. Firing with there, you know. Bro, contact this for me, please. Peanut. Contact this for me, please. Come like it, man. Yes, people. Blend up the green juice, you know. Blend up the green juice. Blender run, people. Blender sing. With all asparagus, you know, people. And juice I will make all baby, you know. You know them way there? Call it baby juice. Yo! Asparagus juice, people. Yeah, man. Check in, watch what I go on. You get the right blend out, you know? Well, we find out my people. As you can see up on a staircase, that's how we pack up, we pack them and thing, you know? You don't have much space to do all of that. Over there, I'm gonna have to, you know, make up some chang juice in the back. After all of them hard work, we need some of this, you know? That is it. Alright, let me check it now and see what I go and feed people. Check it and see what I go on. See that? Yes, peeps. check on it and see what is what going on for it, you know. That is it. I'll pour it out now something and I want to see what going on. Yes, peeps. See my strainer there. And pour out the green juice. Pour out the green juice, my people. Yeah, man. Pour out the green juice. If I use my opposite hand, you know. If I use the left hand, people. Because I don't know more want to see what I go on do. Oh. Look at that, people. Green juice. Yes, peeps.
Yes, peeps, green juice.
Back at it, you know.
My juice can make your youth.
See that?
That going here back in one second. Tiffin no boy. That you're going to drink up before I know. Back in Tiffin boy. Alright.
Randy Orton.
Man, yeah.
Yeah.
The Viper. Randy
And Ted DiBiase.
Yes, peeps, me have a little amount leave. I don't know. Yeah, I have to use any kind of water here, people, because you know we can't afford to use the pipe water where they here, you know, sick off yourself. So we have to protect yourself. So there is little of the green juice already. Man, stick and stay. Watch what I go on, man. Yes, back at it again. Second amount. That is it. We call it asparagus juice. Getting up the back, you know, people. Yeah, the whole team there, people. More work over and things. Man, they are going to do them personal things here, man. Yeah, man. Just go and sit and see and watch it, people. Can't get no better than this, man. Piece of yellow yam that my boss have left here, you know? Pretty much for people. So we have to live our part, you know? That must be it now, people. That must be it, you know. Yes, peeps. See what I go on. This is the green juice, my people. This is the green juice, you know. Yeah, man. This is the green juice, huh? See that? Yeah, man. So, stick and stay, watch what I go on for me. Put in little sugar in it. I don't put enough. If I have honey, I would use the honey sweetener. Yes, peeps, I add some honey in it and little sugar. So, I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to put much sugar and much honey because, you know, a green juice style. So, I'm just put it in the feet, just give it a little taste. Original asparagus juice, these people. You see it? Yeah. Asparagus. You cut it every day, you know, so nothing wrong if you make some green juice out tight, you know. So, watch what I go on with people. Then. Yes, Pete. Taste the asparagus juice. The ginger could a little stronger still, but the ginger just big and no good, so people. You know them way there? Like how some man big and no good. Trouble! Well, right now it's alright. I go and work with it that way, you see me? I don't know if I'm more tester want to contest what I go on. But you don't know this a juice off of the back. So sit down and relax and watch you drinking and having fun. You see what I deal with? That is it, my people. You see that? Out here without fear. Farm work style. Yes, peeps, as you can see me, I try backload some. Because space now in the fridge you put in the big dish, you know. So as you can see, I'm on my backload some. Now make it run over too much, peeps. Right? That is it, peeps. Activate that. Good old asparagus juice, you know. You're looking at buckle, people. Fully green. Easy, no man.